If you notice that there is some wind noise between the hood and the cab, Ron showed me at the Nexus rally how to solve that problem. He took some wiper blade material and it just fits right on here perfectly, slides in, and it really cut down the wind noise in the cab coming from the actual sides, both driver side and the passenger side. Worked real good, real easy to install. It took maybe 5 minutes to put these on. They stay firm and they really fit perfectly. Here you can see how it fits and configures to the actual hood and the cab door on the Nexus Wraith that I have. And I tell you, it really did cut out the noise whistling by the actual hood and the cab itself. So thanks, Ron. It worked real well. Just a little tip I'm passing on. I had a trucker friend of mine tell me when I bought my Wraith diesel that if I would use this diesel clean in my fuel tank, that it would definitely keep the injectors clean and it would improve the performance. And I have been using this ever since I've owned the Wraith. Have no problem at all with it. This smaller one container, 12 ounces, will treat 40 gallons. And then I've also ordered these larger 32 ounce, which will treat 100 gallons. Well, I don't put 100 gallons in, but I usually use these if I fill up and I've got 40 gallons or so of fuel I'm putting in. I also just use these larger containers to refill the 12 ounce container because it's really easy to use and put into the diesel tank. So just passing this on, I believe you can order this. I ordered these from Amazon. I will put the link in here for you. And also, if you like these kinds of little tips, please save and subscribe to this channel for more of these types of tips. Have a great day. If you're storing water in your freshwater tank, you might want to consider adding some of this, what they call drinking water freshener. Although we do not drink water out of the fresh tank on board, instead we use bottled water instead. But anyway, this kind of keeps the tank fresh. As you can see here, it says you need at least 1/4 total volume in the tank. You essentially pour 1 ounce of this into the tank, treats a 20-gallon tank capacity. So if you have more volume, you can figure out how many more ounces you need to put in. It says complete filling your tank, and it's safe to drink only as when it's mixed. So if you pour this in and you're driving down the road, of course it's going to mix very good. I bought this from Walmart, but I would imagine you can link to this product from Chemco on Amazon. I will try to put the link in here for the drinking water freshener from Amazon, where you can just click on it and you can just make it work for you. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe to this channel for more of these little tips. Have a great day.